Good morning, my name's Jack and welcome back to another Rush Gang fishing episode. Down the beach, the boys Jamie and Aaron this morning. I'm casting out baits, ideally for tailor, snapper or mulloway. The boys are sent a drone bait out each. I've just got my burley bag here, washing around in the surf. Magical conditions this morning. Bit of a friendly competition, drone versus casting. The boys are targeting snapper. I'd be happy with a couple of tailor, but I'll put a lot of burley into the water this morning, so you never know what could turn up. Hopefully though, between the three of us, we can get a couple of fish on. This morning I'm running the 6,000 size Saragossa up onto my assassin bluefish there. Hopefully with all this burley in the water, some tailor or even something bigger show up. I'm with Jamie, he's pretty deadly on the drone, so I'm sure we'll probably get a snapper this morning, I reckon. But I want to catch something on cast as well. Just get a bit of extra burley out there, a few cubes of pilchard. I really want to try catch more fish than the boys this morning. They're running the drone, I'm on cast. I really want to get it done. I did bring down a fair bit of burley. I threw in a whole heap of crayfish heads and whatnot. I've got a burley bag there full of pilchards and bread and food scraps and whatnot. For bait, I've got whiting and these pilchards. So if the pickers keep stealing my pilchards, I'll chuck some whiting on, just so the baits can stay on a little longer. I think though, between the three of us, surely we can get a fish on this morning. Pretty handy little hack I thought of this morning, just a bucket buried in the sand full of water. I've got my burley bag tied off to that, so obviously it's holding my burley bag, defrosting the bait. I can wash my hands in it and clean the sand out of my grapnel sinker before each cast. Rather than carrying a spike down for the burley bag, I thought that was a pretty cool idea. One less thing you have to carry down the beach. Look how nice it is down here this morning. Got pretty strong easterly wind, but it's calm as. Pretty sure the pickers are destroying the pilchards. I'll probably chuck a whiting on pretty soon. Big one. Jamie's rod just buckled. I just had my camera on my rod. First hit to the drone. While Jamie's on in the background there, I'll quickly show you my rig. So I'm running 60 pound. I've got the Vex incline circle up the top, Vex big bait down the bottom, and then I've just got this rattle float above that. That goes up to my three-way swivel, down to the grapnel sinker there. And as I said, I'll start the morning with pilchards, but if the pickers keep destroying these, I'm going to chuck a Sam whiting on very shortly. Once I get this bait out in the water, we'll go see what Jamie's got on there. My guess is it'll be a snapper though. Let's get my bait back out there. Man, you can cast a mile with that easterly behind you. Bait's out. Jamie's on. Let's see what he's got. Looks pretty solid, whatever this is. You got much to go, or?
Nah.
Nah? Wicked. Oh, Jamie's fish is nearly in. Snapper or shark, I reckon. Look at the morning, it's absolutely stunning. I think I've already said it a couple of times, but my pilchards is getting picked to shreds. I think there's a lot of herring in that out there. I'll chuck a whiting on. Is that? Oh, first fish to Jamie. Another snapper. And that's the result of Jamie's first drop of the morning. That's insane, man. What a fish.
First bait.
First bait. I'm getting herring pickle my pilchards right now, and Jamie's getting snapper. Not bad. And just like that, Jamie secured me another episode. I have to put you on the book soon, bro.
You're still gonna get whim, you know that?
Yeah, I know. Now I have to get something half decent on cast. I'm gonna slap a whiting out, eh? That's my next bait there, heading out. I'll use the rest of the pilchards for burley, and I'll just cast whiting out. Look at all the herring like bubbling on the surface right there, Jamie. Of course, when you only bring the heavy gear down, there's that many herring down there. Look at them all in the water. They're jumping out of the water. If I brought light gear down, it'd be absolutely on right now. Big school of them right there. It's pretty cool to see. Obviously, they've found my burley trail, and they're having an absolute field day out there. Bit of a walk this morning, so I didn't bring the light gear down, but maybe I should have. Damn, there's a lot of fish there. Out goes another snapper bait. That is actually insane. What a catch. It's one fish to the drone, none to cast yet. Hopefully I can get something too. All the boys are going to show me up. I can't believe Jamie's managed another snapper like that. If you watched last week's episode, we were drone fishing for snapper and we cleaned up. First drop this morning, he's got another one. I got a whiting out there now. All that action in the water's got to bring a big fish in, hopefully. I'm just getting another whiting ready to cast out. There was a few teeth marks in that on that float. Something's had a crack. I did lose my bait on the last cast. I didn't see any bites, but obviously something took my bait. That's rough going from that view to my mug, but anyway, it's gone pretty quiet. I've got another whiting out there now. The boys just dropped another bait each. It's just past 6 AM. As you can see, the sun's starting to poke up over the sand dune there. It's usually when it starts to go a bit quiet, but we'll stick with it for a while. There's that much burley in the water. I really expect something to show up on the cast. And yeah, the boys have both got fresh baits out, so surely there's another fish.
Yeah, bro, yep.
Oh, that looks like a good one.
Go hard because he's right next to that reef.
Drone on again. It's been quiet for the last hour or so. Been real quiet. Oh, that's big, eh?
Yeah, it's a real drum.
They look solid, man.
That's big. You'd get hit on that on the
Drone rod on again. He's a fair way out. We'll give him a bit of time. We'll start filming again when he gets a bit closer. But yeah, as far as the casting rod goes, it's dead quiet. So many herring. They're just picking my baits to shreds, so there's not much I can do about that. But his fish is looking damn solid, eh? That's a really good fish, eh?
I thought it was a shark.
What do you reckon it's going to be?
Oh,
Big snap.
Big jewel.
Big Joey.
definitely not like something I would usually drop him, but
yeah,
it looks like a good bone.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Both drone rods are now on. My casting rod untouched. This is insane. This fish was looking really big. Jamie's one looks solid too, actually. Oh, proper solid. All we need now is my cast rod to go off. Both the boys are absolutely on. These both look like really solid fish too. Really solid fish. The damn drone, eh? Getting it done. Insane. The boys are on. I think it's a monster snapper, I think. It is. Oh, it's a big dog. Look at that, bro. That is a snapper. Wow. Bro, that's a sick fish.
Big.
She's big.
Oh, bro.
Stonker.
Yeah, the bommy.
Look at that. What a fish. Jamie's still pulling his in. Gee, man. Sure. Smashed it. Bro, that seaweed made it look like a stingray, eh? What's Jamie got? His might be a snapper too. Far out, man. Jamie is on. Right, the boys are absolutely getting it done on the drones. That's a solid double. Big snapper too. Look at that thing. That is a proper snapper. On the drone.
What's this one?
There's Jamie's one. The cast not doing very well this morning. The drone absolutely getting it done. That's a beauty, man. It's amazing. That's 3 snapper on the beach. Insane. I'm glad he didn't grab my bait this morning. He is absolutely massive. Look at him. He's huge. And his mate's just over there somewhere. But yeah, he's here cleaning up all the burley. I'm going to wrap up this episode with Jamie on in the back. What I'll do too is I'll put Jamie's link to the Eru drones down in the comment section. If you want to check out a drone of your own, hit that link. I gave it a go, casting versus droning, but today was droning's day. I'll be back down there though, casting or droning off the beach. So if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.